Give a wish to who? Everyone. Okay, hi to all my fans. Thank you for being my fans.
Good evening. Oh, really? How nice. I'm wearing a beautiful dress who's designed by Reza. My designer, yeah. Forever. It's quite heavy and all. So, but anyway, I'm very happy to be here. I'm performing tonight. I'm performing my own song, Nagi, with my friend Scarlett, as we have done this song together. Then I will perform Pinky and Jadoo Ke Jabbe. Yes, I'm going to perform in Delhi. So this is it's the first time I'm performing in India for New Year. So it's going to be fun. Well, happy birthday to Salman Khan advance. Thank you so much, guys.
Yes, I am. मैं परफॉर्म हिंदी में बोलो इंग्लिश में बोलो
हिंदी
मैं परफॉर्म करने वाली हूँ एक्चुअली 4 songs है it's a big medley of 8 minutes so I'm performing and I'm doing a solo and I'm doing a duet with Nakul Mehta so we're gonna be having a blast मुंबई में अभी एक्चुअली बहुत सारे शोज आ रहे हैं एंड पोस्ट झलक इट्स बिन अ मंथ और बहुत सारे शोज कर रहे हैं हम डांसिंग अलॉट थोड़े दिन के लिए थिएटर ऑफ हो गए तो मेरा बर्थडे तो नहीं है
सलमान खान का सलमान came here and told कि आपको छुट्टी ले लीजिए
27 को छुट्टी है
आप किस अंदाज में बर्थडे विश करेंगी छुट्टी लेंगे
मैं बेल्ट पहन के रहूंगी हैप्पी हॉलीडे माइक इज हियर Thank you so much. Thank you. New Year wishes? New Year's Day? Yeah, I'm performing. I'm going to be in Jaipur. I'm performing, I'm dancing a lot. I'm going to do contemporary, I'm going to do Indian. So, बहुत ही बड़ा शो होने वाला है. So just New Year resolution actually every year I try something new. मेरे को कुछ नया सीखने का मन करता है तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि 12 महीने होते तो कुछ 12 चीज़ें करनी चाहिए. So I'm going to try new things. Let's see. I learn like skating, swimming, something. I would like to wish all the viewers Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Enjoy, party, have fun. बहुत मजे करो. Thank you so much. Thank you. You guys are looking so bright and active.
It's all because of lights.
Super. And I can see everyone, Manit. Otherwise, it's so dark. You can't talk to people. Nice.
My. One picture, please. Thank you, bye.
अरे यार नहीं
I don't know. I was here last year for cocktail, but let's see. I don't know. With the award functions, you'll never know what to expect. It's asking him something once. It's been a great year. I'm not denying that. It's definitely been a great year. I don't know whether you can say it's been my year. I think I've been very lucky that I had 4 releases and all of them were so special and all of them did so well, and that all of you liked it so much. But as far as this award season is concerned, like I said, you never know. So I have no idea. I've been nominated in 8 categories. So I don't know. I've been nominated for all the 4 films that have released this year. So I don't know which one I'm going to win for. Actually, I should find out. I have no idea. I hope Chennai Express. I think that was the most difficult film for me. But all of them have, like I said, all of them have been very special. So I don't know which one I might win. No, I don't know. It's been a great year, not just for me, but even for the movies. All the movies that released, most movies, and it's a good thing. You know, I think Indian society is. We really look forward to our movies, and the fact that we have a release or sometimes 2 or 3 releases every Friday, but the success ratio this year has been so good. It's good to know that people are actually going out there and watching our movies, appreciating it. But most importantly, I think the audience has also evolved. The audience today is ready to accept different kinds of films, different kinds of roles. And it makes me as an actor very, very excited because it gives me the opportunity to go out there and do a lot more interesting work. काश ये दोनों चीजें होती, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. That's what I just said. काश. I don't know. I've been reading about it in the papers, but I haven't met Suraj ji. And जैसे मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, I'm looking forward to doing a film with Salman. But there's nothing right now. I'm anyway on holiday, so.
Deepika, what is your comment on homosexuality? The law has been passed that it is not legal now in India.
What's that?
Yeah, homosexuality would not be considered.
I've been reading about it. Again, it's not something I'm fully aware of, so I don't think I should comment on it. I've always said this, you know, we talk about this in the media, we do press conferences, we hold dharnas. It's time we get up and do something about it. Instead of just talking about it, it's time we do something about it.
Christmas plans, Deepika? Christmas plans for...
Best film?
Deepika, your Christmas
It will be a tough choice between Ye Jawani, Chennai Express and Ram Leela. I'm going with my family for a holiday. No resolution. I decide whenever I choose to do something, I do it there and then. I don't wait for New Year's to do something special. To all the viewers of all these various lovely channels, wishing all of you a happy New Year.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Huh? For me, I think it would be between Ranveer for Ram Leela and Farhan for Bhag Milkha. Thank you.
आपकी फिल्म आई उसमें जो चैनल पे है वो चैनल नंबर 1 हो गया और काफी ज्यादा तारों रिकॉर्ड छोड़ दिए तो आप अवार्ड में भी एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि चैनल एक्सपेक्ट का वो जाकर बरकरार रहेगा.
पता नहीं यार, वो तो अंदर जाके पता चलेगा, अभी कैसे बता सकते. अरे वो तो बहुत पुरानी बात है यार. अभी कुछ डिसाइड नहीं किया, अभी तो मैं सिंघम बना रहा हूँ, उसके बाद सोचेंगे। 15 अगस्त को अगले साल सिंघम 2 आएगी। थोड़े दिनों में पता चल जाएगा। ड्रेस ने क्या, मैं नंगा हूँ? रहस्य में अरे इतना प्योर हिंदी क्या बोल रहा है यार तू? रहस्य यो आया, उसके घरों में जा रहा हूँ अंदर, है ना? बहुत सारी हैं। एक तो मेरी है चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस, भाग मिल्खा भाग है, लुटेरा है, और कायपोचे से शुरू हुआ था, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, कायपोचे, और बहुत सारी फिल्म। थैंक यू।
आके देंगे।
साड़ी पहना है और क्या पहना है? साड़ी पहना है, तुम लोग वही सवाल पूछोगे। अच्छा तो जल्दी पूछो, घर जाना है। हाँ, आप लोगों ने देखा नहीं? But they should allow you all inside on all my songs. Last 5-6 years के सारे गाने परफॉर्मेंस के लिए बुलाया है, इसलिए तो मैं यहाँ हूँ। नहीं, परफॉर्मेंस दिया, मुझे रिवॉर्ड मिला है। अवार्ड नहीं चाहिए, रिवॉर्ड मिला है। मैंने इस साल एक्चुअली कोई फिल्म नहीं देखी है, एंड अभी हम लोग सैफ और मैं अभी हॉलिडे पे जा रहे हैं। हम लोग सारे DVDs लेकर जा रहे हैं इस साल के सारे फिल्में देखने के लिए। जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा है, हम लोग बहुत फिल्में नहीं देखते, पर इस साल हमने डिसाइड किया है कि सारे फिल्में देखनी है। इसके बाद क्यों भाई आप लोग आ रहे हो? चलो, मुझे मालूम है कि आप ये सवाल पूछोगे, बट अच्छा है। नहीं, पर अच्छा है ना। It's a fun show. No, it's a fun show and it's meant to be like that, and it's not meant to be taken such a big deal. And जो भी बोला है, अरे हाँ ठीक है ना, तो मैं रणबीर की बड़ी बहन हूँ, बड़ी बहन कुछ भी बोल सकती है।